Hey, what's going on, BGSU educators? This is Terrence Armentano. I'm Assistant Director for Online and Summer Academic Programs here at BGSU, and today I wanted to show you how you can get started with Loom.com. It's a free screen recording tool that allows you to capture your lectures, capture content that's on your screen. So it allows you to sort of walk people through a lesson, and whatever's on your screen you can capture. Very helpful for lecture materials, tutorials, demonstrations, Excel spreadsheets. So with that, let's get started. You want to go to loom.com and you want to sign up for free. Make sure you use your bgsu.edu email to sign up, because Loom is giving away their pro version of their screen recorder for free to educators and students. And they said it's going to be going on forever, so it's not just a one-time thing according to them. So I'm going to go ahead. I've already got an account set up, so I will sign in. When you do set your account up, you'll type in your name, email, and they'll send you a confirmation link. You'll click that to confirm it and then get into your interface here. So this goes to my videos dashboard. This is the area that keeps the videos I've made so far. You can see I've made 3. So what Loom does is, what I really like about it is that it puts a little Chrome extension in the top right hand corner of your screen. As you walk through the process of getting it set up, you will add this Chrome extension, and this allows you to record your screen from any web page. So let's get started. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and click that right now. And now it asks me if I want to record my full desktop or just the current tab. I can also do my screen and a video of me, the screen only, or a video of me only. So I'm just going to do my screen only current right now, just to kind of show you how this works. From here it's going to say, what screen do you want to record? Do you want to record your entire screen or an application window? So I'm going to go with, let's go my entire screen. So I'm going to click share, and then you'll get the countdown, and when this countdown goes, it's going to be recording. So whatever's on your screen, you'll be able to record. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up a presentation, and let's see how this looks in my screen. So let's just say I have a presentation up. I'm going to go through it. When you do an online presentation, you want to keep it to about 5, 10, 15 minutes max. But it's good to have about 5-minute videos throughout your course to keep the students' attention focused, and it also helps you kind of stay consistent with what you're delivering. So after you're done recording it, you go ahead and X out of it. You can hit stop sharing. When I hit stop sharing, it will capture what was ever just on my screen, and it's going to put that right here in my videos section. What's really great about the way Loom works is that it provides you a link to that video. So you can actually copy this link and pop it right into Canvas. So just like that, you have a video that you've made in Canvas. Make sure that you title the video here whatever you want. And that's it. So you created an account, you got your video dashboard, you used the Chrome extension to start recording. Now Loom will keep asking you if you want to download the desktop version of Loom, and for the purposes of what we're doing, I would just ignore that and just use the Chrome extension. If you want to do some more robust editing and you need a desktop application because there's some more things that you want to do, I would use Camtasia to do that, and you can get that through our ITS department. And there's some information about how to get that onto your computer. But for a quick video, a demonstration, a lecture that you kind of want to do fairly quickly and get that link that you can upload to Canvas, this is a good way to do it. Alright, hope this was helpful for you all, and have fun teaching online.